Past paper, pop quiz 7. At least he will learn in the class. Which measuring instrument is used to measure a diameter of a thin metal wire? So micrometer. Why? Because it can measure a smallest value of 0.01 millimeter. A meter rule can measure 0.1 millimeter. A measuring tape can measure 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter or 1 millimeter? Yes. No, it is 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. What about the meter rule also? 1 millimeter.
सर मेरा पॉप क्विज 7 क्यों नहीं भेजा अभी तो मतलब आपने चेक किया सर ने मुझे भेजा होगा गलत से
Yeah, maybe sometime send to him there. Which property of an object is a consequence of the effect of a gravitational force? When a gravity is acting, what it leads? Because we have weight is equals to mass times the gravity. If there's a gravity, what will happen? It contribute to weight. That's why D is the right answer.
This much I know, sir. This much music I know, sir.
Okay, great.
Sometimes, sir, I just copy from your YouTube channel. That's
A car starts from rest. The table shows a reading of the car from its speedometer every 10 seconds. Which row describe the car motion in the first 30 seconds and the last 30 seconds? So first 30 seconds, the first 30 second, it changes from 0 to 4, like first 10 seconds, then 4 to 8, then 8 to 12. So what does it mean? It means the speed changes with the same value every second, same in time interval. So what we can say? What we can say, the first one, there is acceleration. Why it's acceleration? Because first the speed was 0, then the speed is 4 meter per second, then the speed is 8 meter per second, then the speed is 12 meter per second. Non-zero. There is acceleration of 4 meter per second, not 4 meter per second square because time is 10. So it will be like 0.4 meter per second square. But yes, there is a constant acceleration for this part. Like constant acceleration means constant change speed. But then from 30 to 60, the last 30 seconds, for last 30 seconds, the speed is not changing. So we can say it is moving at a constant speed. So constant speed and non-zero acceleration, that's why D is the right answer. So A, B, C all have the answer D. Oh, sorry. A, B, C, not A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, I mean.
Are you speaking English?
I'm speaking English. Why D? As you can see here, the object is accelerating. The term acceleration means speed is changing. It was 0 become 4, the speed changes. 4 become 8, speed changes. 8 become 12, speed changes. That's why it is non-zero acceleration. And here the speed is not changing. It's 12. That's why we say it's a constant speed.
आपने मेरा नाम सेव नहीं किया जो मेरी हर फाइल उसको भेज देते रोज आके उल्टी न्यूज़ अम्मी को बताते मैं बताता
Figure 5.1 shows seawater flowing down a channel into a tank without a splashing. The water flow at a rate of 800 kilogram per minute. So 800 kilogram of a water flow every minute. The length and the width of a tank are 3.1 and 1.2. The density is 1020 kilogram per meter cube. Initially, the tank is empty. Calculate the depth of a water in a tank after 1 minute. So after 1 minute, yeah, look, you need the depth. First, what you will do, density is mass divided by volume. First, we'll find the volume. Like what is the volume of the water entered? Density multiplied by volume will be the mass. So density of a water is what? it's given here. But if we need the volume,
P is
density is mass divided by volume. Mass divided by density. So mass of a water in a tank, it's in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, 800 kg enter.
Sir, if we write D for density, is it fine?
It's fine. D or rho, both are correct.
What if the density?
And then
Okay.
the density is 1020. What is the volume enter? How much is
0.784 meter cube.
0.784 meter cube? That's the volume of the water which entered this tank. Now you need the depth.
Volume
So
divided
volume
by-
is, yeah, depth is equal.
Volume divided by.
So volume is length, width, and height. Okay. Length, width is the area. You can also substitute. So you can have the volume. The volume is 0.784. You can take the dimension 1.2 and 3.1, and the height or the depth is unknown. Okay, just divide there. So it will be 0.784 divided by 1.2 times 3.1. What's the answer?
Answer is 0.211 meter.
0.211 meter. So write your answer in 3 significant figures. Okay, good.
It's a note sheet in Wallah.
Okay, great. The next is the height of a water decreased by 0.42 meters as it flow down a channel. Calculate the decrease in gravitational potential energy every second. So if we, because every second, how much mass? 800 kilogram of a water enter. So gravitational potential energy is equals to mass into gravity into depth. The mass is 800, the gravity take 9.8, and the depth is 0.42. What's the answer?
54.9.
54.1 joules.
No, 9.
56 joules, sir.
Sir, 54.9.
54.9 joules.
Mine is coming 56 joules.
No, you took maybe 10 there. Again, check.
Why, sir? Why?
Density is mass, gravity, height. 800 into 9.8 into
Is
0.42.
it correct? 56.
But use 9.8 every time. Use 9.8.
Then
Yes.
I will
0.42.
then,
The height.
9.8, sir, right?
What?
3,000.
No. It cannot be. It's 800. It's multiplied by
Yes, sir,
0.4.
8,160. 8,100.
800 divided by something.
There are, yeah.
800 divided
No, this is the mass, but in 1 minute. What we need each second. So that's why we divided this whole by 60.
सर मैंने खाली उसको करके किया था वो सही है प्रदेश में मैं साइड पे कर दूं
No, you have to divide. 54.9 is there. See.
You marked it correct.
Okay. See here. Calculate the decrease in a gravitational potential energy each second. Every second we need a decrease in gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is mgh. Okay. In the question, the gravity is 9.81. The depth is 0.42. And what about the mass? The mass was 800 kilogram per minute. You need per second. So first,
800 divided by 60.
yeah, you will know how much mass is there because 800 kilogram is there every minute. You need 1 second. So you have to divide by 60. So 800 divided by 60.
I divided first, then I wrote the answer. This is 13.3.
Right. 800 divided. So then it will be how much? 54.9 joules. Okay. The water stopped flowing. The depth of a water in the tank is 0.8 meter. Calculate the pressure at the bottom of the tank due to the water. So how we work out?
P is equal to P, yeah.
So pressure is equals to density, gravity, and depth. What is the density?
P
9.81.
1020.
Multiply by 10, sir, or 9.8.
9.8 times the depth.
Then
0.8.
multiply by 0.8. Sir, 0.80. Oh, okay. Sir, the answer is
7,996.8.
ये kilopascal नहीं है
7,996.
My math.
96.8.
1000 we can
Yes.
now
0.8.
सोना भी कर लेंगे
Write in 3 significant figure. 7,996. So you can round it off to 8,000. Because again, you took all the questions you took gravity as 10.
No, no copy. Jहाँ भी है वहाँ हर जगह 10 9.80 9.8 से मैं clearly बता
Cannot